imagine having a closet full of clothes still feeling like you have nothing to wear. This is where the concept of summer capsule wardrobe comes in and saves the day. What makes the perfect summer capsule wardrobe? What are the key pieces to be added in your summer capsule wardrobe? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. आज हम बात करेंगे एक बहुत ही कॉमन प्रॉब्लम के बारे में जो मोर और लेस हम सब फेस करते हैं, that is creating versatile summer outfits. Summer capsule wardrobe बात करता है about simplifying your personal style by curating essential key pieces जिन्हें mix and match करके आप बहुत सारे outfits create कर सकते हैं. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग विद द आउटफिट्स, दो बातें समझना बहुत जरूरी है. वैसे तो आप कुछ भी पहन सकते हैं और कैसे भी पहन सकते हैं, बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर कैप्सूल वार्डरोब वी नीड टू टॉक अबाउट द बेसिक्स. सो द कलर पैलेट जो हम फॉलो करेंगे यहाँ पे इज द बेसिक कलर पैलेट विच इज ब्लैक, व्हाइट, बेज एंड इवन ब्लू, एंड द फैब्रिक्स वी वुड ऑप्ट फॉर आर वेरी ब्रीदेबल एंड लाइटवेट फैब्रिक्स. I will start with the top wears. The must-have top wear in your wardrobe are these basic solid color t-shirts in black and white. आप इन t-shirts को बहुत सारे ways में स्टाइल कर सकते हैं for your formal and also casual outings. Tank tops mainly in black and white again, जिन्हें आप as it is भी पहन सकते हैं, or else you can wear them with some cover-ups. They looks really stylish and very elegant. The next trend is a hot selling trend, linen vests, and you can style them for your formal and casual evenings. They just instantly upgrades your style game and looks very stunning. The last top wear you need to have are these button-up shirts. They are so versatile. You can style them from your office to your casual outings, and you can use them as cover-ups also. If you are not comfortable in full sleeves, then go for this type of short sleeve shirts. If you are looking for style and comfort, then go for this type of shirts. For your bottom wear, the first thing you need to have are these trouser shorts. They are so versatile. You can wear them for any number of occasions. If you are not comfortable in shorts, then skip to the next option, that is linen pants. और इनके साथ आप बहुत सारे टाइप के टॉप वेयर्स को पेयर अप कर सकते हैं, बी ट्रेडिशनल और वेस्टर्न. कॉटन मैक्सी स्कर्ट्स, एक ऐसा व्हाइट स्कर्ट अपने वार्डरोब में जरूर रखिए, एंड विद दिस यू मस्ट हैव अ प्रिंटेड कॉटन स्कर्ट एंड यू कैन क्रिएट सम ब्यूटीफुल chic, stylish and boho kind of Indo-Western looks. Lastly, add a high-waisted flowy jeans or a loose jeans in your wardrobe. और इसे आप कितने ways में स्टाइल कर सकते हैं, I know I don't have to tell you. Along with your tops and bottoms, you need to have a black dress and a white dress. These dresses are so versatile. You can style them for your office looks, casual look, and also as your vacation outfits. Lastly, accessories के लिए आपके पास sunglasses और hats के अलावा भी you must have some strappy sandals, a pair of white sneakers, and a pair of transparent heels, and they can be worn with all your summer outfits. All the pieces I have talked about forms the foundation of your wardrobe, and these can be mixed and matched to create numerous outfits. So start decluttering your wardrobe and find out those key pieces to build your capsule wardrobe that works for you. I will be back with a brand new video. Till then, be stylish and thank you so much for tuning in.